Well, good morning, everybody. This is day 2 of our pillar coral rescue effort. So today we have a special guest on the boat today. This is Cindy from the Keys Marine Lab. Why are you on the boat with us today?
Well, for the last 2 years, I've been working with pillar coral, looking at the genetics of the population and the disease and bleaching and perhaps resistance of different genotypes.
That's great. And what do we hope to accomplish with all this work?
Well, we're actually trying to preserve and save this species from going extinct on Florida's reefs. We're watching it die before our eyes, and we're trying to capture as many different genotypes as we possibly can to save that for future restoration efforts.
So this is really the kind of cutting-edge research of this particular species.
Yes, it is.
All right, well, we'll be giving you updates as we come along them out on the water, and we'll be doing our daily wrap-up at the end of the day.
All right, this is Captain Tim. How's it going, Captain Tim?
Doing well. We're sitting here with divers on our port side and about 3 to 5 foot seas. They were calling for 15 knot winds out of the east, and it's every bit of that, but not too bad.
All right, well, once the divers come up, we'll send another update later. Thanks, Captain Tim.
You're welcome.
All right, so this is one of the samples that we collected today. Why don't you go ahead and tell us about it?
Well, so this is a real small fragment. This brown tissue up here is actually live coral tissue. The polyps are actually pulled in right now because it's out of water. And this white line here is actually where the disease is. This isn't real recent dead because it's not bright white dead skeleton exposed, but this is where the disease line has come up this whole pillar and just basically killed all this part of the coral. And this is the only part that's alive.
And the idea is we'll take a look at the disease part and then do what from there?
This guy is probably these are all going to go to Charleston and NOAA's facility up there. They'll be testing some antibiotic therapy on different fragments to see how they respond, if we can stop the disease and stop it from spreading.
So the good news is it's 2 o'clock and we're already off the water. The bad news is that the reason that we got done so quickly today was that we were looking for diseased coral colonies, and it wasn't hard at all to find these samples. We collected 17 different samples from 3 different sites, and some of these, were the last, some of the last sites that we'll be able, or some of the last samples that we'll be able to see at these particular sites. So it really brings home why this work is so important. So hopefully the answers to what we can do to save the reefs and what we can do to protect them will be in some of these samples we've collected here today.